Heka, a stress control method that is instant and effective. In our societies today, stress and agents of stress are all around us, and few of us can escape their devastating effects. Daily stress can have a significant negative impact on both body and mind. It can cause physical symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, chest pain, stomach problems, and increased heart rate. It can also lead to mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, a decrease in motivation, increased irritability, and insomnia. Long-term stress can lead to more serious health issues such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. One of the best and fastest methods to manage stress is through mental imagery and visualization. This method involves using your imagination to create a peaceful, soothing scene, and envisioning yourself using this peace and calm to successfully navigate stressful situations. Visualization techniques are said to have their roots in ancient Buddhist and Hindu practices, but they were also widely used in the ancient Nubian and Egyptian civilizations of the Upper Nile Valley with the mystical practice of Heka. The ancient Nubians and Egyptians used Heka to connect spiritually with the gods and invoke their magical powers. But its most common uses were to improve physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. This was done through visualizations of sacred symbols and natural forces. In modern times, Heka is still used as a powerful form of meditation and visualization to promote healing and to quickly control stress. Now, let us imagine that you are in a waiting room, about to enter a stressful meeting, or sit in front of a panel for an interview. You may be anxious about making a good impression. You may also be worried about how you will answer the questions that are asked, or if you will be able to articulate your ideas clearly. It could feel like impending judgment. All of these stressors can make it difficult to focus and can lead to a feeling of being overwhelmed, which can lead to negative performance. Since there is no time for a long meditation session, a quick visualization method that can help you control your stress, diminish negative thoughts on the spot, prepare you mentally, and put you back in control, can prove to be immensely valuable. You need a technique that can help you quickly put yourself in a mental state in which you are willing to yield, to be open, but still maintain the strength and perseverance to make thoughtful decisions and to win. The Heka form called Mai is the technique for you in this situation. Mai is the Nubian word for water, and it was originally performed to put the practitioner in connection with the power that controlled the Nile and its tributaries, and all rivers, oceans, and seas. Water is able to move around obstacles as if nothing was ever in its way. It does not go through the obstacle but instead finds a way around it. The strength of water lies in its ability to overcome by never having to meet and tackle anything head-on, but to adapt, to circumvent and get beyond it, and all the time never having to sacrifice its own momentum. Water is flexible, adaptable, resilient, persistent, tenacious, yielding, persevering, and possessing amazing unexpected strength. These are the qualities we will instantly invoke with Heka Mai visualization. You need no special garments or props, nor do you need to be seated in any particular position. Just make yourself comfortable. Let us begin. We start by quieting the mind with breath counting. Close your eyes and begin to count your breaths from 1 to 10, then start from 1 again. Do this 5 times. If you find yourself drifting off and counting 11, 12, reel your mind back in, focus, and begin counting your breaths from 1 to 10 again. After several times, your mind will feel quieter and more relaxed. Now, hearing your mind the sound of a babbling stream. Contemplate the sound for a few moments. Visualize the stream, born high up in the mountains, and flowing down a rocky terrain. Get a strong picture in your mind. Now imagine that you are that stream, tumbling down the slopes, carving your way through the rugged landscape, gushing over rocks and boulders. Feel yourself splashing against the sides of the banks on both sides of you, and the pebbles beneath you as you rush past and over them. You are the stream, and your essence is in every drop of the swiftly flowing water. As you roll down the mountainside, witness the beauty of the natural world around you. The towering peaks, the lush forests, and the green valleys. See the sun high above, casting golden hues upon the land, and feel the cool breeze rushing past you, carrying the scent of wildflowers and fresh foliage. Feel the vast water power within you, as you gather speed, force, and energy. Feel a connection with the universal natural force. As you continue on your journey, you encounter in your path fallen trees and large boulders, some the size of houses. But they cannot detain you. You are unstoppable, and with every obstacle, you adapt and change course, careening over cliffs, carving a new path through the landscape, always moving forward, getting past all obstacles in your way, and leaving them far behind. At the end of your journey, you slow down and begin to widen, spreading out into a peaceful, tranquil pool, in the ocean you have now become a part of. Here, you rest, listening and reflecting the beauty of the world around you. Languish in this state for a few moments. Take a slow, deep breath, and then open your eyes to the world. Look around you. Smile peacefully. Feel the power within. You are vast. You are limitless. You are ready to meet, embrace, overcome, and move past any obstacles that may appear before you. You are mine. I bet. May your heart rejoice.